And this is the bit where hopefully you're going to get something useful out of this, right? First thing, start using AI, right? And there's a website called There's an AI for That, right? Take a picture of that or just Google There's an AI for That, and there's hundreds of AIs, right? Start using AI, okay? I'll be really curious to know how many people are actually using AI, right? If you haven't done it, just go for it, right? Because if you don't, you might have a problem. Learn to prompt. Lots of people have told you this. This is a prompt, right? The basic elements of a good prompt are you give it a persona, right? Why, who are you, what is it that you're doing? Give it some context, give it a specific task, give it a format, give it some tone, right? Those are the basic elements. Right? Take a picture of that, you can rewrite a prompt like that, right? And the better you get at prompt engineering, like Hannah said this morning, right, the better the output's going to be, okay? And that allows you to then experiment, right? I went to another conference where they said, right, AI isn't everything, right? Because you still need the basics of UX, right? You still need to understand who your users are, what problem you're trying to solve, right? The problem space, you need to test it out. It's really challenging, of course, with AI because as we've heard is the data is the experience. How are you going to replicate that, right? And you still need to focus on the UX. Doesn't matter whether you have AI or not. And also, just by slapping an AI chat interface on it, doesn't make it a good AI usage, right? So, like I said, in UX, think about like all the different elements and how you could interact. That's where it gets really, really interesting. The other thing that we did, actually, no, Lillian did, sorry, we ran an AI design sprint. So we're all big fans of design sprints, like, hey, let's create something in a week, right? So we set ourselves the challenge with Lillian there. It's like, no, let's do everything in an afternoon, right? So we created an AI design sprint, and you can Google that, right?